Hey there! Are you knee-deep in your dissertation and struggling to find good sources online? You're not alone. Let's break down how to find those awesome, trustworthy sources. Where to look, easy and reliable. All right, let's jump right in. Your first stop, scholarly databases. I'm talking about places like Google Scholar. It's a no-brainer because they've got loads of peer-reviewed articles. It's like a shortcut to finding the good stuff. Your university's digital library. Don't forget your university's digital library. It's a goldmine for journals and books, and the best part? You can usually access it right from your couch. Super convenient, right? Trusty websites, .gov and .edu. Here's a quick tip. Websites ending in .gov or .edu, they're usually solid gold. They've got reliable data and research that you can really lean on. Checking your facts. Found something cool? Awesome. But hold on, make sure to double check it. Compare it with other trustworthy sources. It's like making sure you're on the right track. Keeping track of your sources. As you find good info, keep a list. Tools like Zotero or EndNote are lifesavers for this. They keep everything neat and tidy so you don't lose any of those precious sources. How to spot the good ones? When you find a source, ask yourself, who wrote this? What's their deal? When did they write it? It's like being a detective, making sure your sources are legit. Watch out for bias. Keep an eye out for bias. You want info that's straight up and fair, not leaning too much one way or the other. Be a search whiz. Get smart with your searches. Use specific keywords. It's like having a secret code to find exactly what you need. Stay up to date. In areas like tech or science, things move fast. Make sure your info is recent so your research stays fresh and relevant. And that's a wrap. If you picked up some good tips, show us some love with a like and a subscribe. Got a go-to tip for finding great sources? Drop it in the comments. Let's share the wisdom. With these tips, you're ready to conquer that research. Remember, the right sources make all the difference. Keep digging, stay curious, and above all, keep writing. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writers ER. Your academic journey is about to get a whole lot smoother.